Hey everyone, in today's video, we're gonna be discussing the Uber Eats driver rating systems. We can see here that your rating can help you understand what your customers think of you. First, how to give or get a checking rating in the app. First is go to the restaurant stuff and customer have the option to leave you a feedback. If someone gives you a thumbs down, the app may ask the person for a bit more feedback about why that rating was chosen. The two is the app adds the ratings you get into an average that's displayed to your customers before and during a trip. You can also see your average satisfaction rating into your app. Just simply tap your profile picture in the menu and then tap the rating under your name details. Now, if you receive a low rating, from the time to time, you may encounter someone who gives you a low rating for something that was beyond your control. Don't worry, one low rating won't have a significant impact on your overall average. If you're consistently rated poorly, check out Uber resources, including tips from other delivery people. If your rating doesn't improve, you may lose access to the app. All you need to do is to see the Uber's community guidelines for more information. And the question is, what customers say they appreciate? First is the speed and efficiency, service and handoff. When it comes into the speed and efficiency, if you are ever running late, you can call or chat with restaurants and customers through the app. When it comes to the service, restaurants and customers appreciate courteous and respectful service. When it comes on handoff, the app will show you customers' delivery instructions. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.